Hello, SEHBAC using new product EcoMax. My name is Isla and I'm one of the conservation biologists here at Mossy Earth, and I am reporting live from site in Aberdeenshire at Glenclooney, and today I've been filming some of the tree planting that you've helped us undertake. But you might be wondering what the tree species that we're going to be planting here are. This includes downy birch and willow. It also includes common alder. And common alder is a special tree, mostly because it isn't very tasty to deer, and we have issues in Scotland with deer browsing young trees, meaning that they cannot survive, or it prevents them from growing really. So alder isn't as tasty to deer, so the highest proportion of trees that we're planting here will be alder, and it's also supplemented by the other species such as rowan and also aspen. Aspen is a really special tree. It accommodates species that wouldn't survive were it not within an ecosystem, including aspen bristle moss. It also supports 14 species of moth and 14 species of fly. One of these moth species is the dark bordered beauty, and aspen is the food plant of its caterpillars. Your trees are being planted within the riparian zone, otherwise known as, well, the area next to the river. This is the River Cluny. And the idea of planting your trees here is that when they mature and cast shade over the watercourse, they'll hopefully stabilise water temperatures, which will be beneficial to species such as Atlantic salmon and potentially freshwater pearl mussel as well. You might have noticed as well that the trees that we're planting here are being planted in enclosures. So while this isn't as good as planting trees in, continuously across the landscape, and it doesn't provide as much immediate ecological benefit, the reason why we're planting them within these enclosures is to reduce grazing pressure from deer. So deer don't like jumping into confined spaces like this. So the idea is that deer, they'll have reduced browsing pressure from the deer that live in this landscape, and then once overall browsing pressure in the landscape is reduced, there will be a seed source nearby for trees to gradually, naturally regenerate up onto this hillsides here. And lastly, from the bottom of my heart and the rest of the team here at Mossy Earth, we'd like to thank you for helping to make this project happen. Without you, I wouldn't be here filming this video and these trees wouldn't be in the ground. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a good day.